Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now my peeps, I went ahead and I seasoned up my meat. You know me season up my jerk chicken already if you follow me. So anyhow, I have one whole of chicken here. I put some cut in the leg and thigh, and I put a big cut in the hip part, in the breast part right there. Alright. In the hip too, right here. But I was talking about like down in the breast there. All right, it's a whole of chicken, so it's in 4. All right, guys. So basically, we're gonna do this jerk chicken in the air fryer, but I just want to show you the season that I use, because this is in the fridge for like maybe a day and a half, 2 days. Okay, I will leave a link to this. It's my jerk season marinade, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some of my Cool Runnings chicken seasoning. All right, and I also put some olive oil in it. Okay, I have some olive oil here, and we're gonna just grease this one here. I just got it, guys, so later on I might find out like what I can use to put it in so it don't mess up the bottom that much. After, I'm gonna use some of this barbecue sauce, Diana barbecue sauce, and my mango sauce here, guys, and then I'm gonna brush it over it. Okay, so let's go. I don't know if you can hold the whole chicken, so see. There. I don't think you can hold. We're gonna leave one breast, all right, guys, because I don't think you can hold that one there, but you can hold these 3 pieces. We're gonna set it just like that, because you want enough space in it so you can flip them over each time. All right, you don't want to overcrowd it, so you can't hold that one there, so we're gonna leave this one. I can do it after or maybe at a different time. It's only 3 of us in the house. All right, guys, so if me take this, give me son this, give me daughter this, that should be good. All right, we're gonna also put a little oil on top of it, and this is olive oil, all right, so it doesn't dry it out. It's the first time I'm doing it in the air fryer. All right, guys, next time I'm gonna do some wings for you. Okay, all right, so that's it. You see how it look nice? Jerk chicken in the air fryer. All right, close it. So we're gonna work with the time here. All right, guys, so power on, and you're gonna look for chicken. See the leg there? So you're gonna press. Chicken. Then I'm gonna come back and flip it over and put it again for another 20 minutes, and so on until I feel like it's cooked. Okay, chicken can cook under 20 minutes unless it's only chicken breast. Okay, let's start. All right, my peeps, we're back, and that amount of time on it, it's run out. All right, so we're gonna open it. I check it halfway through and it was looking good. So you know, they say air fryer is supposed to cook in maybe half the amount of time, but guys, there's no way my jerk chicken gonna cook in 20 minutes. Me no business of what kind of air fryer this is. So anyhow, the time they said it should be cooked, it's done, and this is how it's looking. But my chicken don't cook yet. No way, no how, Jose. Yeah, it look like it cooked, but it not cook yet. All right, guys, here my meat's supposed to fall off the bone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spin it over. You see it? Not cook yet, guys. Want to cook some more. The breast feels cooked though, guys. Whoa, whoa. I remember I split it in 2, so yeah. And you're gonna spin this part over. I don't see any juice I can take up from the bottom, so I'm just gonna brush it with a little bit more olive oil so it doesn't dry out, just a little bit. And I'm gonna put it back for 20 more minutes. Just gonna redo it again. So here goes. All right, guys, so we have about like a teaspoon of olive oil left over, and we're gonna make the mango sauce. sauce to go with it. All right, so we're gonna put like a maybe 2 tablespoons. This is my barbecue sauce, Diana barbecue sauce. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, and that's it. We're just gonna mix it up, and we're gonna put it aside, and we're gonna use this to base it over. Okay, we're just about at the 10 minutes mark. Wow, it's looking good. Yes. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put some of the sauce on it so it doesn't dry it out, right? All right, now put some here. So we're just gonna pop this back in for the remaining 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and flip it over. Off. Wow, 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 wow. Yes. Oh my, beautiful. So guys, oh my, it's soft. Wow. So we're just gonna turn them over. You know, oh, it's soft too, guys. Here goes base this side now. So 40 minutes already gone, and I can say it's cooked, guys, but I want it well done. So we're gonna put it back in now for about I would say another 15 minutes. Because guys, it's the first time I'm doing it in it. Okay. So we're gonna pop this in. It looks good. Look at the oil underneath, guys. That's all oil. And guys, if you want to turn it down, you can press the time, and then let's say we're gonna do 15 minutes, and we press start. There, and we'll be back. Let me see how it's looking. Oh, and it's cooked. I'm just gonna cut it up and see. Oh, it's cooked, guys. Wow. Let's chop it up. Oh, wow. So when you're there Jamaican, guys, you have to cut up the jerk chicken. See the leg here, leg and thigh. Oh, look at that, guys. Cook. Ooh, cook right through. We're gonna serve up some with some bread. You can do whatever you want with it, alright, guys? Ooh, just fall off. Alright, guys, and it came out lovely. Alright, if you don't want it to have this jerk taste or this jerk look, guys, you can just do it 2 times alone. Maybe you don't have to put it back for the 15 minutes. Just maybe put the sauce on before and spit it over, put the sauce on. But this is how I want it. I like my jerk chicken well done with that roast burnt taste. Okay, and it looks so good. All right, guys, try it and tell me how you like it. I'm just gonna serve it up with some bread at the side. You can put some bread right there. So, and this is it, guys. Yes, you can have it with whatever you want: fried dumpling, bami, plantain, rice and peas, food. And this is it, guys. This is the first time I'm doing jerk chicken in the air fryer. My review on it is that yes, it done before the time, but you can't do much in it. All right, guys. So if you're a family of few, say 3 or 4, you can go ahead and do it. But if you're a family like of a big family, you want to do like 2 batch, you know. But yeah, or you can use the bigger one, but you want to make sure it lay flat so it can soak right through. All right, guys, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. I'm just gonna take a picture and then I'm gonna taste it for you. I'm gonna go ahead and taste one of the leg for you. I like to take off any excess skin. I don't like to eat too much of the skin. So this is how it's looking. Cook to the bone. Cook. All right, guys, you have a good day. Oh, and the chicken breast also cook. Soft. Also, the chicken breast nice to make salad too, guys. Whatever salad, like chicken. Say for the next piece of chicken breast, you can make some rasta pasta, some chicken veggie salad. You know, it's up to you. All right, guys, try it out and tell me how you like it. Maybe I should have just put it in for maybe 5 or 10 minutes instead of 15, and that would give you a nice like golden crust. But I want it the jerk way. But if you don't want it like this, just put it in for another 5 minutes, or just do it 2 times, like 20 minutes and then 20 minutes. Okay, and it should be good. Take a last bite. Oh, you must be wondering, I want to show you this. And that's the amount of oil came up from it. You see it? All of that gonna throw away. It's not good oil.